Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am doing a two series part together with my eyes and then also my foundation. In this review, I am actually reviewing the Colourpop No Filter foundation and I am in the shade Light 75. So I just wanted to test this out for the first time and so far I'm pretty happy about it. If you want to see what my first impressions are while applying it, I did use a damp beauty blender, my mint one, and also for primer I used a couple primers, my Skindinavia one, and then also my Fenty beauty one. And I did use primers that I use all the time just so I am not giving a disadvantage of trying something new on top of something new. And let me know in the comment section below how you guys like it. Please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will see you guys in the next one. And let's get started with this first impression foundation try on. So I will see you guys later. Bye. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I have my eyes done because I am actually doing a eye look with the Colourpop Journey for Make-A-Wish for Delilah. And I have on the shade Warrior. And then I also used a little bit of the shade Okay for my inner corner. So what I'm actually going to be doing today is trying out the Colourpop No Filter foundation, and I am in the shade Light 75, and this is what the box looks like. And this is glass. I'm really excited because I have not tried their foundation and I really wanted to give this a try. So this is what we're going to do today. And what I'm actually going to use is a dampened beauty blender, my mint green one. And we are going to, I'm just going to go from the inside. I already primed my face with some of the Skindinavia, the makeup primer spray, which I use all the time, so I don't want to give this foundation a disadvantage because if I'm trying something new. I also used the Fenty Beauty primer, and this is the Pro Filter Soft Matte. So I unscrewed the top, and just smelling the foundation, it does not smell bad at all. And I'm just going to dab this on my face. I do have a lot of redness today. Let's see if this is actually going to conceal it or not. I picked this shade from what their recommendation was to another foundation that I do have. So hopefully this will be the right shade for me. This is definitely a good foundation for my shade, and I'm just going to apply some more because it is buildable. I know it has a pump. I don't want to use it today. So it's definitely a really good match. And it does apply really nice. Doesn't smell bad or anything either, which is always a plus. And the price of this foundation is only 12 bucks. So I'm just gonna pick up a little bit more of this and put it on my forehead. And let's blend it out. just looking up close in the mirror. I don't know if anything is going to be able to battle the redness that I have today. But you can still see that I have a beauty mark here and a couple other ones. And these ones over here. And it's not settling in any of my lines at all. And I will zoom you in so you can see what the foundation looks like. So it looks really, really nice. I really do appreciate how this looks. I am not complaining at all. Just gonna pull it down my neck a little bit. So what I'm going to do is put on my concealer and finish up on my face. And then I'll come back on here and talk to you about how I feel, how this is sitting, and we'll discuss on if I give this a thumbs up or if I am not happy with this foundation. So I will be back as soon as I'm done with the rest of my face, and I'll see you in just a couple minutes. All right, guys, I am back. And I have on concealer, and I have on the Laura Mercier, the Flawless Fusion Ultra Longwear Concealer, and I'm in the shade 2N. I also set my face with the Hourglass. This is the Veil Translucent Powder. I used the Revolution Matte Blush in the shade Fusion, and I used OFRA Highlighter in Beverly Hills. I just used all of the lighter shades and I didn't use that shade. I used a Morphe M501 brush to apply the highlighter. The sponge that I was just using from Beauty Blender. I preset my face with the Skindinavia, the makeup finishing spray. I do actually do this a couple times when I do my makeup as well. I do put it on, I spray my whole face before I put highlighter on just to set down the powders, and then it actually amps up the highlighter. So my foundation has been on for a little while now. I just kind of did some stuff around the house waiting for this thing to warm up to my face and see how I like it. And I really do like this foundation a lot. This is a first impression review try on, so I want to try this a few more times. I'm gonna try applying it with a brush and then also my Artiste brush. Even though this is a brush, it is completely different than applying it with a foundation brush. And foundations do apply differently with brushes versus Beauty Blender, so I'm gonna give this a try as well, and I'll let you guys know how I like this. But so far, it definitely does match. It is not settling in any of my little lines that I do have. I am going to give this foundation a big thumbs up. I like this foundation so far. This almost is up there with my high-end foundations that I do have, and this guy is only $12. Yes, $12. So I like it. I am going to give it a big thumbs up, and I'm going to continue to use this. All right, guys, so I am going to end this first impression with my foundation on, and I'm going to go back into my eyes. So if you like this kind of look, first impressions, and kind of like a mix up of both together, please let me know in the comment section below. Please give me a big thumbs up. Say hello in the comment section, because I always love to hear what people are thinking about my looks, something they want to see different, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.